So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on camera while in the Zoom meeting. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Zoom desktop application and then you need to join a meeting, or even you can start your own meeting by just selecting this button right here. We'll go with this option right here. So guys, as you can see, I have successfully entered into a Zoom meeting, and now you can see on the bottom line there are a bunch of options. Now you need to choose one of these options, and that is this start video. And now you can select on this arrow button right here, and now you can see that this option now has been selected. You have to confirm that this option has to be selected. After that you just need to select this button right here. So guys, after selecting this option you can see yourself into the meeting by the help of your camera. So that's how you guys can be able to turn on camera while in the Zoom meeting. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.